Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to start our series 100 days of coding and we are going to solve binary search problem on Leetcode. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the problem. Let's see. The question is binary search. Given an array of integers nums which is sorted in ascending order and an integer target, write a function target. So basically the question is saying we have to find a number in an array of number and we have to complete it in O log n. So it's a simple question of binary search. Let's just do it. So first we have to make two pointers. Left will have a value of 0 pointing towards the start of the array, and then we should have another pointer right, which will be equals to nums dot length minus 1, which will point towards the last element of the array. Now we have to run a loop while left is less than or equals to right while left is less than equals to right, we have to take a mid integer mid is equals to left plus right minus left ka half plus left. This should be correct. Left plus right minus left ka half and should be stored in an integer. Now we have a mid. Now we have to check if mid, or we say nums of mid is equals to target and to return mid. Else if nums of mid is less than target, if nums of mid is less than the target, then we should move to the right half of the array. So what we should do, left is equals to mid, but we will shift left to the mid. Else right is equals to mid. And if the loop breaks and nothing returns, then return minus 1. As simple as that. Let's just run it. There was an error in the code. We can't use length in CPP. We have to use size here. Let's just try to submit the code. And the code got submitted. Thanks for watching.